Okay, I'm with a 2011 Dodge Avenger, 4-cylinder 2.4 engine. I'll be replacing this throttle body unit and reprogramming it to the vehicle. So the first thing I need to do is take off the air intake system right here, this hose, and this crankshaft ventilation hose here. Okay, with the air hose removed, this is the throttle body here. Circle there. I'll need to remove this electrical connector. Then there's the bracket here. There's this bolt here. Then you got 4 bolts that are 10mm sockets should fit on there. And remove those in a cross pattern. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there to remove it. Okay, matching up the throttle bodies. The new one is still in the plastic, so next is just install it with these 4 bolts. You just loosely tighten the mounting bolt, hand tighten the bolts. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you tighten those on there. Okay, here's with the throttle body installed. I even got the electrical connector right here connected. So just put this hose on, the air hose on next. I'll be ready to program it to the ECU.